Hey curl friends, you're probably watching this video because you don't want to have to re-moisturize your hair with water throughout the week. So I'm going to show you how I do it with no water involved using the Big Hair Beauty products. On dry hair, I go in with the milk and I apply it straight from the roots down to the tips in sections. And then I apply another part of the milk just to the bottom to make sure that my hair is moisturized, and I finger comb it through. Next, you want to go in with your moisture butter, and this is just going to seal in that leave-in conditioner and make sure that the hair is really soft, ready for the next style. Then I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair with 3 sections. It's not difficult at all. I don't do a K-mo or anything. I just do 3 basic braids on each side. And then I make sure that as I go down, that every strand is moisturized. If I need to add a bit more milk or butter, I will do. And I try and make sure that every section is detangled as I go down, because I don't want it to be tangled or undefined when I take the braids down the next day. Once you get to the bottom, you just want to curl the ends around your finger and create a little finger curl. I then repeat this 3 times on one side and then 3 times on the other side. This is such an amazing way to revamp your hair when it's dry throughout the week. If you don't want to co-wash or you don't want to shampoo and skip a wash day, this is how I keep my hair looking good and how I keep it moisturized. Because you do not want to neglect your hair, guys. Please, I beg of you. So now that my hair is all braided up, I can go ahead and cover that with a satin bonnet and sleep on my hair, ready to take them down the next day. So once my braids are dry, I then go and unravel them slowly and very softly, making sure that I don't create any more frizz than is needed. And I also add a bit more butter to my fingertips when I feel like some of the parts are dry. As you can see, the curls are defined. I have a nice little texture going on here. It's like a crimpled effect that I actually love, and my hair just looks so moisturized and so soft. You might want to separate some of the thicker parts of the hair just to make it look a bit more natural and even. I go in with an afro comb to give myself a bit more volume and just sort out the back of the hair too, so it doesn't look all crazy. Then I'll go in with a slick brush and just slick one side or 2 sides if needed, just to add a bit more definition to the style. So there you have it, a great easy way to keep your hair moisturized throughout the week. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!